we're living these lives that are so far out of alignment with who we really are. And when you live your life that is so far out of alignment with who you are, this negativity, it has to manifest. And it often manifests in physical illnesses. Jesus Christ. Oh, yo, sorry. I got a little close to... Sorry, dude. My bad. I'll go the other way. These thoughts that we have. You okay? Can I stand here? You're not gonna like run after me, right? Okay, we're good. These thoughts, these negativity, this hatred we have inside ourselves, man, it has to manifest.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun.
Hey, what's going on? My name's Case, and this is Everyday Masters. And you're probably thinking, why is my buddy Case standing in this dump? Well, I think it's the perfect place to be for this video, because, you know, we're always wondering, why are we so miserable? You know, why are we so depressed? Why are we so angry? You know, why do we have all these health issues? Like, what is going on? What's going on is, in my opinion, we are living lives that are so far out of alignment with who we really are that these thoughts that we have about our world, like this is the inside of our minds. It's full of trash. Everything we've been taught, everything we were taught in school, everything we were taught by our parents, by organized religion, by science. It's all crap. It's not the way it is. You know, in science, you know, Newtonian physics, they talk about, you know, how we're all separate. You know, here's Newtonian physics, right there. That shit is dead. It's dead. We're not separate. We're not these meat suits bumping around. These understandings of our reality are not in alignment with who we really are. And when you have all these beliefs that are not in alignment with who you really are, they have to manifest in the physical world. Consciousness creates matter. Matter does not create consciousness. Consciousness creates matter. Matter does not create consciousness. We're so focused on the negative. You know, we're so focused on how we're different. You know, whether we have different religious beliefs or, you know, different political beliefs or different, who cares? Who cares? We have to quit focusing on the differences that we have. Who cares? We are so much more similar than we are different. We need to reestablish, reconnect with who we really are, with this non-physical, multidimensional aspect of who we really are. And these frequencies do that. They clear the communication channel. And when this happens, when you start to reconnect with your higher self, all the fear, oh shit, dude, I didn't see that dead dog there. Oh my God. Whew. Shit. Okay. Fuck, I hate seeing dead animals. When we reconnect with this non-physical aspect of ourselves, the fear, the anger, the negativity in our life starts to dissolve. and we start to see clearer again, and things make more sense. Your life starts to change. Because what we see in the external world is a reflection, a mirror image of what we believe. So when you go to the news and you see all this negative news and we're thinking, oh my God, the world's going crazy, you know, how do we save the world? Well, you don't try to save the world. You save yourself first. You have to heal yourself first. You can't help anybody else if you're all screwed up inside. You need to heal yourself first. And one of the ways to heal is when you start reconnecting with this non-physical aspect of yourself. And everything just becomes clear. And you start affecting everybody in your world, everybody that you meet. You raise their frequency to another level. And the world will change to match your inner vibration. I know this is how life works because I know what I draw to myself in my individual meetings with people. I know this is how it works. So I want to do a healing. I'm going to do it right here with these frequencies. It'd be really cool if you brought these frequencies in at the same time that I'm going to bring them in, so we can create like this grid of this light and this information. So check out this video. It's like 5 minutes long. Before you go any further, if you can feel them, cool. If you can't, whatever, it's all good. Come on back and we'll do this healing. I'm going to go ahead and set up a tripod and start bringing, you know what? No, I'm not. Let's do this healing in a better place than this, okay? Let me go set up my tripod and I'll be right back. I didn't really plan this out too well because I don't like to wear sunglasses. I like to be able to, you know, see. But I tried to shoot it without my glasses on and I squint too much because of the sun. I don't have a hat, so let's just do this anyway. So I'm going to bring these frequencies in. And it doesn't matter where you are on this planet. It doesn't matter when you see this. These frequencies function outside of time and outside of space. And I'm going to bring these frequencies in and I'm going to direct them straight to you. So if you watch the other video and you can feel these frequencies, go ahead and start feeling them right now. And let's see what happens. This should be fun. Okay. Okay, clearly it was not supposed to happen there. There's like 8 more boats that went through in the next 8 minutes. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna bring these frequencies in. If you can feel them, bring them in, same time. And if you can't, hold your hands up and act like you can. And maybe at the end of this, you'll be able to feel them. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay. It's already going to take me like 3 days to upload this video, so I guess I'll stop there. But I hope I didn't freak anybody out, because I don't blink as much. I don't blink at all, really, when I do that. So, okay, man, I hope you felt them. And same thing I always say, if you did feel them, man, bring them into your awareness. Just waller in them if you want to, and if you don't, if it doesn't feel right, then don't. But if this is feeling right, then just, yeah. Okay, I hope everybody has just an amazing day, night, morning. Okay, peace. Did you guys get in the shot?
Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, 'cause you know this party won't stop.